Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have an adorable 2-bedroom, 2-bath home to show you, located right here in Amite. This home is so charming, has loads of curb appeal. It's on over 2 acres and even has a 30 by 30 detached workshop. There's so much to see, so much room to spread out. Let's go take a look inside. This home is so charming. It's rustic, it's got this modern farmhouse appeal, absolutely charming. All right, so the first thing that we come to is this adorable shiplap wall. It is not only a great focal point, but it's functional. It's got storage below that pulls out to hide all your blankets and things. And then on the sides of the walls, there are the wooden shelves. We also have plenty of space for a huge TV, and then this beautiful wooden mantle and electric fireplace. Love what this statement does for the room. Plenty of room for seating in here, lots of windows all the way around, flooding the room with natural light. And then we come to the focal point that I really love. So what you really see when you walk into this room are these 2 beautiful columns with the stonework below. Now, because this is an open floor plan, we walk right into the dining area that has lots of room for 6 here. And then we come to this breakfast bar that has room for 3 more. Now, of course, the stonework continues on this breakfast bar below. And as we walk into the kitchen, you can see there's this beautiful arched wall. I love how that stonework just repeats itself all the way through. It's absolutely beautiful. Another thing I love about this kitchen is there is so much space in here. There is lots of cabinetry for all of your things. And I love the color scheme. It's very warm, very rich and inviting. And then there's even this square, modern single bowl sink. It's absolutely beautiful and very, very functional. All right, let's go check out that primary suite. Now on this side of the home is the primary suite. So we walk into the primary bedroom and there is a lot of room in here. That is a king-size bed behind me. Plenty of space for lots and lots of furniture. Of course, those 2 windows let in lots of light, and there's even a nice size walk-in closet. Now, as we head into the ensuite bath, there's a lot of room in here too. There's a really nice size soaking tub here. There's the vanity behind me, and then there's even a separate shower, and then room for all of your linens in that closet behind me. All right, still plenty more to see. Now, on the other end of the house is the other bedroom and the other full bathroom. So I love how spacious this is for a second bathroom. Plenty of room in here. And of course, we've got the combination tub and shower here. Now, as we move on to the other end, we are stepping into the second bedroom. Still a lot of room in here. And then behind me is a large closet. So lots of space for your things. All right, lots more to see outside though. Let's go take a look. Not only is the inside so beautiful and charming, but this home has such a great outside to talk about. So as I mentioned before, it's on over 2 acres. There's this charming porch to sit out and relax. But then as you move toward the back, there's a fenced-in area for dogs. And then there's also a nice custom doghouse. There's also a fire pit area. Adds a lot of charm to the space. There's an extra shed, and then there's also a 30 by 30 detached workshop. That space is absolutely amazing, so functional. Think of all the possibilities. So like I said, so much room to spread out here. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.